Hi friends, this is the Bedee keyboard cleaner. This is a 5-piece cleaner pack with the storage box. It's for laptop cleaning or anything like the car cleaning. So for removing dust, hair, crumbs, dirt from computer, laptop keyboards and all. So as I said, there are 5 pieces and 5 different colors. It's like a slime that gets stretchy and can be used to clean your laptop or any small thing where you cannot reach. So the principle is that because it is slimy and sticky, so it will stick the dust and then it will just take it out. So you can see all the different colors like the light green, blue, yellow and pink. So and you can read so main thing is that it's like a slime. You put it on your equipment or where you want to clean your car dashboard or anything, and it will just clean it up to stick the dust, and there it is. So the thing is you have to remove that. You have to keep in mind that once you use this slime, you have to actually knead it for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will become a dough sort of thing, and then it will be easy to stick to the dust. And once you use it, then you have to put it in the same ziploc sort of this pouch and in the box so that it will not dry out. So you can use it again and again till it's all full of dust and your hair. So here I'm taking small pieces out of it, trying to do it or knead it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can use that on any keyboard or any place that you want to clean. So this is non-toxic. So here I'm just showing you on a keyboard that you have to just use it and rub it or press it on that keyboard keys and inside that, so that it will reach near to the dust and dust will then stick to it. So no residue, non-stick, flexible, but keep your baby and pets out of this cleaning gel. Easy to use and store, so you can use the same pouch to store it. So overall it's a good cleaning product, and there are 5 pieces in total.